Very good morning to all of you students. Welcome to EduCourse Tutorials. So today we are going to do another question on the set. So in this question, set builder form is given to us and we have to describe the sets in the roster form or tabular form. Okay. So let's start our question. So first it is given that A is a set in which x such that x belongs to natural number. Okay, so n means natural number, and given that x is less than 8. Okay, so we have to write set A, so it can be written as x is a natural number and x is less than 8. It means the elements of A are 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, because it is less than 8 and not equal to 8, so 8 will not the element of this set, and natural numbers are start from 1. Okay, so now the numbers from 1 to 7 are the elements of this set. Okay, now move to next question. B, x such that x is a prime number. Okay, so prime number are the numbers which are divisible by itself only, which is a divisor of 30. Okay, so we have to write prime numbers which are the divisor of 30. Okay, so if I write the divisor of 30, then the numbers will be 2 3 5 6 10 15 31. Okay, so these are the divisors of 30, but in these divisors the prime numbers are only 2 3 and 5. So okay, so set B in the roster form can be written as 2 3 5. So the elements of set B will be 2 3 and 5. Okay, so number of element in set B will be, set B is 3. Now third one is C is a set x such that x is an integer and x is greater than or equal to -2 and less than to 6. Okay, so integers are the number which are from -infinity to +infinity. Okay, so C can be written as -2 is also an element because it is equal to x. Okay, so -1 -2 -1 0 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, so this is the set C in the set builder form. Now D, x such that x is a 2-digit natural number. So 2-digit natural number whose digit sum is 6. Okay, so we have to write 2-digit natural number whose digit sum is 6. Okay, so we can write it as 1 5 because it belongs to natural number, so it will be always a positive quantity. So 15, 1 and 5 we will add, it will give us 6. 2 4, when we add it, it is also give us 6. 3 3, the sum is 6. 4 2, the sum is again 6. 5 1, the sum is again 6. 6 0, the sum is again 6. So these are the collection of the set whose digit sum is 6. Okay, so the elements in D are 15 24 33 42 51 and 60. Okay, now next one is x such that x is a letter in the word better. Okay, so x is a letter in the word better. Okay, so when we write a alphabet, collection of alphabet letter, then every element of this set will be written by only once. Okay, so B, first write it B, next E, next T. T again coming here, but we will write it only once. Again E, we have also write it, and R. Okay, so the E can be written as B, T, E, T, R. Okay, so there are 4 elements in set E. Now f x such that x is an integer. So x is an integer whose square is equal to 4 or less than 4. As we know, x square is less than or equal to 4. We have given, as we know, in this condition x has two value plus minus 2. Okay. So we can write the values from minus 2 to plus 2. Okay. So I am writing it here. So f is a set of numbers whose square is less than or equal to 4. Okay. So we know that x square is equal to 4 गिवन है. इस कंडीशन में x की जो वैल्यू होगी वो -2 से +2 तक होगी. तो हम यहाँ पे वो सब वैल्यू लिख सकते हैं. -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Okay. So these are the numbers or integers basically whose squares are less than or equal to 4. Okay. If examiner removes integer by the natural number, then the numbers come here will be 1 and 2 only. Now next question, g x such that x is an integer and it is x is greater than -1 and less than 11 by 2. 11 by 2 basically denotes as 5.5. Okay. So the letters in G will be equal to, because x is greater than -1, so the letters are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. I hope students this question is well clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can connect us with Facebook page, WhatsApp and also on Telegram channel. Okay. So goodbye. Have a nice day.